everyone, my name is Nurul Astia. In this presentation, I will discuss journal articles related to English language teaching and technology integration in EFL classrooms. For each article, I will explain the main content, benefits, strengths, and weakness. After that, I will show the relationship among all 10 articles. Let's begin. The first article is Teaching English by Using Canva, Students and Lecturer Voice. So, this article investigates student and lecturer perception of Canva in English language teaching. The study found that Canva helps create attractive learning material and makes classroom activities more engaging. The benefit of this study is that it shows how Canva improve creativity, motivation, and classroom interaction. So the strength of the article is that it includes both students and lecturer perspective, providing a broader understanding of Canva effectiveness. However, the weakness is that the study mainly focuses on perception rather than measuring actual improvement and students' language achievement. So, the second article is a storytelling approach to teaching English to young EFL learners. This study examines the effect of storytelling on vocabulary learning among young learners. The findings reveal that storytelling significantly improves vocabulary acquisition and student motivation. The benefit is that storytelling creates meaningful learning experience and encourages active participation. So the strength of the study is its clear evidence of vocabulary improvement through storytelling activities. And the weakness is that it focuses mainly on vocabulary development and may not fully explain its impact on other language skills. So the third article is Use of Music and Songs as Pedagogical Tools in Teaching English. This article discusses the role of music and songs in language learning. The authors explain that songs can improve pronunciation, vocabulary, listening skills, and learner motivation. The benefit is that music creates a more enjoyable and less stressful learning environment. The strength of the article is its comprehensive discussion of different language skills supported by music. The weakness is that the article is largely based on previous literature and doesn't provide original experimental data. The fourth article is EFL Pre-Service Teacher Perception Toward Mobile Assisted Language Learning. The study investigates pre-service teachers' perception of mobile assisted language learning or MALL. The findings indicate that teachers have positive attitudes toward mobile learning because it allows students to learn anytime and anywhere. The benefit is that MALL increase learning flexibility and accessibility. The strength is that it combines quantitative and qualitative data, providing a more complete understanding of teacher perception. The weakness is that the study focuses on perception rather than long-term classroom implementation. So, the fifth article is Teaching English as Foreign Language in Saudi Arabia, Struggle and Strategies. This article discusses challenges faced in English language teaching in Saudi Arabia, such as limited exposure to English, and effective teaching methods and large class size. The benefit of this study is that it provides practical solutions to improve English language teaching. The strength is its detailed discussion of real classroom problems and possible strategies. The weakness is that the findings are limited to a specific educational context and might not apply equally to all countries. The sixth article is Influence of Video Games on the Acquisition of the English Language. The study explores how video games influence English language learning. The findings show that the video games help learners improve vocabulary, pronunciation, and communication skills through authentic interaction. So, the benefit is that video games increase student motivation and provide meaningful language exposure. The strength is that it focuses on a learning medium that is highly relevant to modern students. The weakness is that the study relies mainly on questionnaire data and doesn't directly measure language development over time. The seventh article is Digital Comic and Innovation of Using Tundo as Media Technology for Teaching English Short Story. This study investigates the use of Tondo digital comics in teaching English short stories. The findings reveal that Tondo helps improve speaking skills, imagination, and classroom engagement. Comics make learning more creative and interactive. The strange is the detailed explanation of how Tondo is implemented in classroom activities. So the weakness is that the study focused mainly on classroom experience rather than quantitative learning outcomes. So the eighth article is the technological pedagogical content knowledge assessment of pre-service EFL teachers. This article examines pre-service teacher TPACK competencies. The findings indicate that most participants have satisfactory technological competence, but still need improvement in certain areas. The benefit is that it highlights the importance of balancing technology, pedagogy, and content knowledge. The strength is its detailed statistical analysis and clear explanation of framework. The weakness is that the study relies on self-report questionnaire data instead of direct classroom observation. So the next article is Academic Integrity in the Age of Generative AI. The study explored teacher perception of academic dishonesty related to AI tools such as ChatGPT. The findings show concern about plagiarism, lack of originality, and over-dependence on AI-generated content. The benefit is that the article raise awareness of ethical issues in technology-enhanced learning. The strength is its in-depth exploration of teachers' perspective regarding AI use in education. The weakness is that it involves a relatively small number of participants from one educational context. The then is a systematic review on the use of emerging technologies in teaching English. This article reviews various emerging technologies including mobile application, chatbot, artificial intelligence, machine translation, and virtual reality. The findings show that these technologies have a strong potential to improve language learning and student engagement. The benefit is that the article provides practical examples of technology integration in English teaching. The strength is its comprehensive review of multiple technologies and pedagogical implication. The weakness is that it only includes open access experimental studies, which may include other relevant research. After reviewing all the articles, a very important connection can be identified. First, all articles focus on improving language learning. Whether through Canva, storytelling, music, mobile learning, video games, digital comics, AI, or other technology, they share the same goal of helping students learn English more effectively. Second, most articles emphasize student engagement and motivation. These studies consistently show that students learn better when learning activities are interactive, meaningful, and enjoyable. Third, many articles highlight the importance of technology integration. Canva, MLL, video games, Tondo, CPACK, AI, and emerging technology demonstrate how digital tools are becoming increasingly important in modern English education. So, fourth, the article stressed the crucial role of teachers. Technology alone cannot guarantee successful learning. Teachers need appropriate knowledge, skills, and strategies to use technology effectively. Finally, several articles remind us that technology should be used responsibly. While technology offers many benefits, issues such as academic dishonesty, overdependence on AI, and ineffective implementation must also be considered. In conclusion, all 10 articles demonstrate that technology and innovative teaching approach can significantly improve English language learning. However, their success depends on teacher competence, student engagement, and responsible implementation. Therefore, educators should combine technology with effective pedagogy to create meaningful and successful learning experience. So that's all for me. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.